Hi, beautiful people. It's that time of the year, that time that I actually make intentionally plan to buy certain things because you have them at good prices. Because there are a lot of sales during Christmas and Black Friday and what's not. So I ordered four stuff from Jumia and I'm here to unbox it. Last time, about 3 years ago or so, I got blender, like sort of 4-in-1 something. I'll leave the link in my description box. And I realized that a lot of people were interested. People reached out, and when people went to order, it was actually finished. So this time, I just want to film it and put it out there. And a quick review. So I want to use this opportunity to do a quick review about this. If guys remember, I'll leave the link. I did a review on this a couple of years ago, about three. I'm not so sure, but then it has lasted. One thing I said about it is that the juicer, I wasn't expecting it to do much. Yes, I'm not impressed with the juicing part of it. I literally do not use the juicer of this one. I used it once and I had to blend again. Okay, so right now, if I'm buying another gadget, I'm saving towards another juicer. I'll rather I like the ones that I see online, like it juices. You can see it and taking the pulp away. Like I'll probably leave the picture somewhere if I find, but that's what I would want to get. So if you are getting this for the purposes of a juicer, I'll say you may have to blend it again. So it's double work because you see all the pop and everything in here with all your juices and all of that, and you don't want all that to go waste. But in terms of the blender itself, it has served me so well. Look at the cup. I still use it up to date and I use it. I cook a lot. I cook in my house a lot. So, and I have used it to continuously um almost 3 years old, if not more now. This high that was part of it, I did not use it much. Did not use it much. I don't know what it's supposed to do, like maybe a cut or something. It does not really blend smoothly. And when I use it to mince my meat as well, it doesn't really do a good job for me. So maybe I'll use it for something else. But in terms of I don't really know what is extract, but it's still working at the moment. But I must say that I didn't use this a lot. The only one that is not working now is the meal, the dry part of it. To be honest, I have used this. See, if you watch the video of certain spices that I did, big bottles of spices that I did for a friend to send to Canada when she was traveling, I used this and so I overused this that day. So this one got damaged. Okay, so yes, I would say that this also lasted. So you can even see the last spice that was in that was blending that didn't blend is sort of stuck in there. Because I've been in this for more than a year. I'm not even kidding you. The spices that got stuck in it is I don't have a meal. So as part of the things that I ordered on Jumia this year, I ordered a meal. So let me show you what I got this year. This is two of it. I ordered it on a Monday, and this today is a Thursday. I'm expecting the other two tomorrow. So when they come, I'll continue this video. I'll put it together and then show you. So I'm unboxing, yeah. And when I'm unboxing, let me tell you this story. You see this rack here? I got it at China Mall. I got it for 300. China Mall will also be doing sales soon, so you might even get it for cheaper. Then when I went, they said it was a shoe rack. Can you imagine? This rack is a shoe rack. If you go to my kitchen, I bought three. I have one here. I have one in my bedroom that has my cosmetics, like pomade and things and bags and things on it. And then in the kitchen too, I have one that has provisions and I just put stuff on it. So, having stuff like this make your place organized. Even if you don't have a big place and you have a small place. So you can have a big place, but if you don't have shelves to organize your stuff can be all over the place. So this is the first thing I got. This is a kettle. And this is a generic kettle, meaning that it has no brand, no label, nothing. The fitting NYX electric kettle. So I used I had issues with kettle some time ago, and then I made a post on Facebook. People recommended Kenwood, and I used it. Like, Kenwood lasted. Like, it was like a break to me buying kettles continuously. It lasted. But then one family member, we had a plug that was damaged, sort of melted something, and then one of my people plugged, I'll mention his name, came to plug the kettle in that socket, so it got damaged. And we've been looking for Kenwood because we tried other brands that are expensive but didn't even last. So we've been looking for Kenwood, and so far we've not found one. So I decided to just go in with an affordable one I found on Jumia. I'll put the price there. And yeah, this is it. So I'm about to try. I like the fact that it's big, and yeah, I like the inside. I like the silver. But the reason why I like the silver part is no, and I like the fact that it's big. My hand can enter to wash. My hand can enter it to wash it. You know, the blender sometimes things get stuck under. They become brown, and then so I like that this you can wash it, and you can wash it with like that soft wire. So when I looked at, that's what I got. I'm sharing it. If you, but I've not used it yet to be able to tell. Just like the blender that I just shared, in case I get some other time or I use it for long and it's proper, I'll come on here again and then let you know. Now the second thing that I got, ugh, second thing that I got here is a small portable juicer. I got a small portable juicer. The reason being that I've been exclusively breastfeeding, and I'll be winning my baby soon. So I need something. I wanted something portable that, like, when you have a little food, like sometimes it's just a little something little that you want to blend, you don't necessarily have to use the big blender. You know, the big blender sometimes has to get a certain capacity before you blend. So some of the little foods, and also because we do not necessarily have a stable power supply. So oh, this makes it easy whether there's light or no lights. Once it is charged, I should be able to use it to blend my baby's food. So cute. Oh, I love the color. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, nice, 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 nice. So, no electricity. I'm so excited about this purchase. I can blend it and have an additional. Pray for me. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. As this has come, know that you are going to get more baby recipes. I said it in a video I filmed already, but let me say it again that it was baby foods that inspired my channel. When I had my first child, I started making baby foods, and the name of the channel was Yum Yum Baby. But I realized that my baby will not be baby forever, so I transitioned to like adult food. But now that I have another little human to feed, I'll be sharing more baby recipes. So stay tuned, and I'll see you again in another video. Stay safe and stay blessed. People. So they brought the second one, but this was not the main thing I was looking for. I don't know why they can't just pack all your orders and then bring them at once. I guess it's because they are different vendors. So this is this is it. This. So the blender, the male part of it is damaged. So I ordered for this to mail because I love making my own spices. I think it's grinder, usually coffee grinder, I guess. Um yeah, but then you can use it to grind spices and other stuff. So it's not everything that see the dream I had yesterday. I don't have that dream today. This is it. I used the kettle yesterday. It's working perfectly. So far, so good. I don't know how long it's going to last. I like to read the manual before I use it. The kettle. The English they wrote, eh? I think it's a Chinese company. The English is Englishing because I don't get it. The final one is finally here. It took 3 different trips to deliver stuff that I ordered for the same day. But it's so good. So an air fryer because I had my halogen thought I didn't need an air fryer, and I honestly didn't need an air fryer. But recently on my channel you could see that we changed the halogen bulb, and I don't know for whatever reason the bulb has gone off again. The bulb is not so expensive, we can still get it and fix it, but then I'm like, up to when? The air fryer and the halogen oven, they basically do whatever you put in an air fryer to do for you, the halogen oven is also able to do it. So now that I have an air fryer, I'll be able to, I think I'll be in a good position to be able to review both, like to give you, okay, whether it's better to buy an air fryer or whether it would be better to buy an. So yes, that is that for today. I hope you find it helpful. I'm doing this because I noticed that when I did the Nasco 3-in-1, a Nasco 4-in-1, a lot of people watched, and up to date people are asking questions about it. So I'm like, okay, why not? Looks like this videos are helpful to people when they want to do they want to purchase a product. So watch out for the review. I got a